Alright, she talks too much.
Hello.
So basically in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to mix a white shirt with what you got in your wardrobe. I will not change my boots because I believe each of us has a shoe that can go with almost every outfit, right? It's really easy and fun and trendy, I promise. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more fashion video. Also, you guys can connect with me on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks! Okay, let's start. We begin with something basic first. White shirt, light blue short jeans, tuck it in so you can look taller. Use the belt to emphasize on your waist. I choose black belt to match with my boots. Choose tote bag for this time, shall we? Please be noted that I will try to put on as many accessories as I can, so later you might cut out some for your own favorite. Prepare a jacket, just in case it would be windy outside. Try on baker boy hat to keep a mischievous look. Now change to a brown vintage skirt, tuck in half of the shirt so we have a simple but a neat look. Then again you can put on a jacket. Add a brown beret to match with the skirt. Mix it with a black and gray satchel. I play it safe, don't judge me, okay? Or make some fun when mixing with black leather crossover bag. Ooh, I look so cool. Next, mix the shirt with a dark brown high-waisted flare pant to have a retro look. This time try on another brown beret. I just look like a painter, and I? Yeah, crossover bag. Yeah, another beret. Switch out to be more ladylike. Still nice, right? Continue the game with long pants. So this time I chose to mix it with a denim culotte. Bring on some interesting detail to the whole set by adding a baker boy hat into it. Next, coming up with a romper. I choose my DIY black deal romper. You guys can check out how I DIY this romper with the link above. Mix it with a satchel. Try button up, button down the collar of the shirt to see what suits you. Unfold the sleeves. Normally I choose basic colors for my accessories because I'm always on the move. I couldn't bring heavy luggage. So with basic accessories, I can wear it in many occasions or events. Now beret on. Okay, let's be princesses a bit. Mix it with a floral dress. I smell some cheesy vibe here. Honestly, normally I don't wear this style. Just another recommendation for you guys. As said, try button up, button down the collar. Fold and unfold the sleeves to see what suits you the most. Practice makes perfect in it. Baker boy this time. Now we mix a light blue crop top and a light blue short jeans with a white shirt. I use a belt again. I love using belt. It gives me a very neat look. Vanilla tote bag to match the white shirt tone. Finish the set with Baker Boy hat. Oopsie, where's my shirt? This time let's make the shirt be the jacket. Put on your favorite bodycon, wear the white shirt outside, then tie the left. Crossover back, then I am ready to go out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to enjoy with joy, okay? Have a nice day. See you soon.